Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to remove emoji on photo. So the application that I use for doing this is CapCut application, and now you just need to open the CapCut application and let's just jump into the tutorial. Whenever you already open the CapCut application, you just need to go expand this, and there will be a lot of options that you can use. If you want to edit the photo, you can just go into the photo editor. In this photo editor, you just need to choose the photo that you want to edit. In here, you can see in this photo, there is two emojis of love. So let's just try to remove this emoji. So now, let's just go click edit. And we already have the project on our CapCut application. To remove the emoji on your photo, we'll give you the tips. So the tips is you just need to jump into the shapes. Whenever you already in the shapes, make sure that you choose this square. It's just depending to the form of the emoji that you have. So here I have two love emojis, and I think I will like to use the square one. And now we need to adjusting the size so that we can like cover the loved emoji. Okay, and whenever we're done with the size, we just need to like drag it into the specific part that we want to place the shapes. Okay, and whenever you're done doing that, you just need to go into the style, and now you need to pick or click this color picker and choose exactly the color of the wallpaper that has similar color with the background. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done. And now the love emoji is already removed. So that's the way how to remove emoji on your picture. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel if you find that this tutorial is quite useful for you. See you for the next video's tutorial.